Jaramogi's former head elected Luo Council of Elders chairman. Former Jaramogi Odinga's aide Udungiranda has been elected the chairman of the Luo Council of Elders earlier this year. Mr. Randa was elected by elders at Tom Mboya University before being unveiled in public at Homa Bay High School. Randa was elected through a consensus by elders from Homa Bay, Migori, Kisumu, and Siaya counties. The elders said they were guided by traditional spirits before settling on Randa. It is worth remembering that the Luo system of leadership is not a kingdom, it's a chiefdom style, which means it is democratic. So the overall or the chairperson of the elders is always elected, as opposed to being controlled by the bloodline or lineage. This means it may have some little influence from the spirits, as said. Randa, who hails from Kisumu County, has now succeeded the late Opio Otondi, who died in February this year. Otondi also hailed from Kisumu County, Kenya. After his election, Randa was unveiled to the public by being accorded traditional instruments of power. The instruments of power by the Jaluo in Kenya included a traditional cap, a wear made of animal skin, most especially leopard skin, and a fly whisk, among others. Speaking after being installed, Randa said he will serve the Luo community with transparency. I think the elders for electing me, they have done well, and I thank them. The community without any corruption, Randa said. He called on the Luo community to embrace unity. Let's be united as a community to enhance the promotion of our culture, he added. Elders James Ayaga from Siaya County was elected Randa's deputy. The installation ceremony was presided over by Azimio leader Raila Odinga, governors Gladys Wanga, Uchilu Ayako, James Orengo, and Abdul Samad Nasir, and more than 20 ODM MPs. He was elected despite a court order in which Siaya High Court stopped the election until a case filed by the chairman of another faction of the Luo Council of Elders, Nyandiko Ongadi, is heard. So the Kenyan court of Siaya County had ordered the blockage of this election, despite the former Luo leader had already passed on and needed a replacement. In an interview with KP Travels, Odungiranda said most of the wise people are Luo. You want a wise doctor, you get a Luo in Kenya. You see a wise engineer in Kenya, you also realize that that person is a Luo.
Kenya, kidwaro the best engineers, gine pinduka. Kidwaro the best doctors, gine pinduka.